Hi, welcome to this video tutorial on mind mapping. This is one of the methods for idea generation that we have gone over and you will be going over in your J class for mechanical engineering. This type of method does work individually, but it works better in groups of about 5 to 6. So this will hopefully be one of the methods that you do with your design team. Alright, so now we're going to be going over an example of how to do a mind map. So the example I picked is a question about posture. So I'm going to read to you the full problem statement. It's, what are some solutions to improve a person's posture? So how we're going to do that is we're going to think of categories of ways to improve posture. And we're going to start with those first. And then after that, we're going to try to find specific ways within those categories to improve posture. So let's think of a couple right now. So one that comes to mind is exercises. So I'm going to draw a line out here and do exercises. And we'll circle that for now. So exercises will be a category. There's a bunch of different exercises and things you can do to improve posture within that category, but that is one broad category. Another one would be corrective equipment. Like your mind may think of a brace, like a back brace, something you would wear. But that's too specific to go for the very first category. So we want to generalize that into corrective equipment. So now we completed our mind map first stage. We added a couple extra ones. I added occupational equipment, seek third-party help, and sleep. So the way I want to come up with these categories, the way I like to use a method of thinking about it, is to use the phrase, you can solve the problem through blank. So you can solve the problem through occupational equipment. You can solve the problem through seeking third-party help. For now, we're going to focus on exercises and corrective equipment to find some specific solutions. So a couple that come to mind for exercises would be stretches, let's say. So let's put down stretches. Other ones would be muscle strengthening, like strengthening the muscles in your back, like the smaller muscles. Another one would be mental exercises. So reminders to keep yourself standing upright and your chest out, things like that. Okay, so now we have our completed mind map. So just a couple things to reiterate is that for your primary categories, right now we have these two here, these three on the right. You want to use the phrase, you can solve the problem through blank. So like you can solve the problem through sleep, through exercises, through corrective equipment, through occupational equipment, stuff like that. So thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.